Orleans is ruled by thugs even more ruthless than LA's most violent gangs.
You know, the Crips and Bloods tried to establish themselves here. These guys killed them. Simple as that. Gone. See you later.
In New Orleans, I just saw one person kill 15.
What we doing, Tom?
I'm cleaning this timing cover. For the 240.
For what? Huh? What did you say?
For the 240.
Did you say 240 SX? Oh. So, we have to take that off. Valve cover, timing cover, because tensioner broke. Yeah. It's a pretty cool car. It's just 240 SX, no big. Oh yeah, this thing's clean too. Ooh. Damn.
You know.
Get it done, Tom. You can do it. Okay, we'll be back when we're actually putting stuff together and not cleaning, because this is really boring.
Feel that, Ryan. Things on the good.
Oh, that feels like rhino.
It's on the good.
I keep kicking the lone boy, and I keep thinking I'm kicking a bumper. Oh yeah, I'm gonna show him the 300Z. That thing's dope. Oh yeah. Got this. Had a fuel leak. $1,000. But fuel leak was fixed super easy. It's a fresh rebuild. It's a NA version of the car. It's a VR32. It's pretty cool. Just needs another passenger window, or a driver's side window, because it doesn't have that. But I love these. The interiors on them is so cool. That's super driver focused. And they're freaking six. Yeah. And there's 40.
Ready for gasket maker? And just slap the valve cover back on.
It's not a valve cover.
Timing cover.
Oh shit. I'm retarded.
That's a valve cover.
Don't worry, I mixed it up too when I was recording.
Valve cover.
Go. Is it done? Sure.
Yeah, it's been painted for a fat minute. It looks yummy. Model A that James's dad just abuses.
Yeah.
Wait, let's go show some other cars that James's dad abuses. This truck is freaking sick. And then this car makes me sad, honestly. Why is it in here? Getting dust. And their freaking cat. Like, I guarantee there's scratches on it from that stupid cat. All the way up the windshield, on top of the roof. It's a freaking clean car. Except for it's not clean, because it's dirty as beep. Got valve cover all gasket makered up. Pretty sloppy. It'll work though. It'll work. Doesn't matter.
Dude, it's because you have to put it on your finger, then wipe it.
You don't have to wipe it.
That's it. You could probably pick up old stuff from Westlake.
Yes, bro. Got it on there. See if I can start this bolt. Is that one started?
That's like what.
Yeah, this one is a big, heavy one. It's gonna probably be about this big.
Okay, James, what are we doing?
Putting the distributor.
Yeah. Whoa, that's like perfect. I can see your eyeball. I drive a crayon.
You drive nothing.
Yeah, a crayon.
You draw on a crayon.
I draw cars with crayons. Sharpies are better.
Stop.
Ooh.
Is that rust all the way through? Yeah.
What is? Oh, look, come look over here.
I know, this is sketch.
No, right here.
Oh, yeah. There's so much rust.
It's 2:46 time.
I just bought drift car.
Wait, did you already adjust the suspension?
Not yet. We can't get. They're so tight. I cannot loosen them.
Damn.
Like, I can't get it. I'm just stripping out the coilover. I didn't want to do that.
Oh, like with what happened to your car?
Yeah, they're so tight, so I just try and it's just gonna slip off.
I hear alien noises.
It's not anything.
Can you call it?
Putting on the water pump pulley and clutch fan.
We had to take the valve cover off because we didn't look at the timing for the distributor.
No, I was at top dead center, but we had to put it back for the distributor timing.
Yeah, that's what I meant.
Yeah. All right. Put them back together. Still need to put on belts, radiator, intake, and all that stuff.
So we put oil in.
Oil in.
Damn, fire.
Oh, we got timing.
It's
We're not
timing.
sure where the timing is. Just the timing light. We're looking good. Hey, so we got everything back on. The last piece is the valve cover. That looks so good. Just barely fresh paint. James's dirty ass hands.
Just ruined the paint.
Whoa!
Stay like
Oh, clean up.
Yeah.
Chill, my boy.
Do it way better if the eyes were there. There you go.
It's time for first start after replacing the timing tensioner. And we're like 100% sure that the timing on the distributor is going to be off. So we have our timing light. We're going to hopefully be dead on, but if not, we'll just fix it. But we're just going over everything, like all the stuff we've taken apart, making sure everything's there.
Can you pass me a 10? Yeah.
If we can find one. Here. Whatever.
Yo, my seat all greasy because of my ass.
Oh, do that again.
Oh, it's not gonna pop it all with no gas, but
Yeah.
tap it to see if the engine spins freely.
Is it in neutral? Anything in the way? Oh.
Keep turning, tap.
Didn't even do anything.
That's good.
Go again. I can't really see. Come on, try to start it.
Yeah.
With gas.
Okay.
You have gas now, James.
Let it prime. Like, go to off and then put it back in on so the fuel pump primes.
Okay, I'm gonna plug my ears if it pops.
How do you get that? Oh. Almost.
Well, at least you're not 180 out.
Probably a little off, huh?
Yeah.
Alright, now, James.
100% kill it, James.
Hey, so it's late, but finally got the timing together. Putting on the valve cover once again. And then we're gonna try test firing it and hopefully it fires this time. And the timing won't be beep. Try again. Wait, fuel pump's unplugged. Is it? Yeah. All worried. No, fuse isn't in. Alright, gonna put this fuse back in, because can't start without gas. Alright, James, 1 second. Because I changed this when it wasn't starting. Alright, go again. You want to fix that belt? It's way loud.
Success!
But yes, your timing's on. Your timing is on, dog. That belt, though, his alternator belt is
ticking,
like
didn't you?
stretched out. Yeah, it wasn't ticking.
Dude, fix
It was just the squeal.
Success.
But there we go. Fix the timing issue. One time time a KA20E, right? Is that what it's called?
That was a big experience.
Different than my rotary.
Success, dude.
Dude, but we both got 4 spark plugs.
We both got 4 spark plugs.
The only
You're
similarity.
a smart man, Tom. Call your engine a 4-cylinder. Is that Jason?
Yeah, my brother called my car a 4-banger. You want to start it again? It's
Yeah.
gonna squeal again, but go ahead.
Maybe the squeal will go away.
Maybe. You can try.
Because that's what happened when we first started. It squealed for like maybe a good 10 seconds.
Yeah. When you very first started?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's the belt. Yeah, it's worse, isn't it?
Yeah, that belt needs to be fixed.
Yeah, we need a new belt, but other than that, sounds alright.
Yeah, dude.
This thing's muffled and it's still loud as beep.
I know, right? Looks like it's leaking.
Leaking fluid? Where?
Oil on the side.
Is it?
Is that oil?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's leaking.
You gotta get new hardware, because this hardware is messed. They're not tight at all. Like,
That's for Tuesday.
so you need to get new hardware, figure out what to use.
No leaking.
No leaking from down there?
No.
That's good. The valve cover is definitely leaking though. You can see that oil dripping. These bolts are all mismatched because previous owners retarded apparently.
Yeah.
But make an outro, James.
Like, subscribe, and comment.